Let me ask you something. Do you know exactly when your LLC's annual report is due? Do you know when your registered agent fee renews? When your state fee is owed? When your business license expires? If you hesitated even for a second, this video might just save your business. Because here's the truth that nobody talks about. Over 500,000 LLCs are dissolved every single year, not because the business failed, but because the owner missed a deadline, a state filing, a renewal fee, a compliance form, and here's what makes it worse. The IRS and your state don't warn you. They don't send a friendly reminder, they just shut you down. And then they hit you with penalties, back fees, and sometimes legal liability that you thought your LLC was protecting you from. I've seen it happen to smart, hard-working entrepreneurs, people who built real businesses, gone because of a $50 annual report they didn't know was due. But today I'm going to show you a game-changing hack that modern LLC owners are using to make sure that never ever happens to them. We're talking about building a personal AI compliance system, and it takes less than 20 minutes to set up. Let's get into it. The real cost of missing LLC deadlines. Before I show you the system, I need you to feel the stakes here, because most people don't fully understand what's on the line. When you form an LLC, your state gives you a legal shield. Your personal assets, your home, your savings, your car are protected from business lawsuits and debts. That's the whole point of the LLC structure. But that shield only works if your LLC is in good standing. Miss a deadline, your state can mark your LLC as delinquent, keep missing it, administratively dissolve your company. And the moment that happens, your liability protection is gone. You are now personally exposed, and it gets worse. If your LLC is dissolved and you keep operating, signing contracts, accepting payments, running the business, you could be personally liable for every single transaction made while dissolved. Courts have ruled against business owners on exactly this. On top of that, reinstating a dissolved LLC can cost you anywhere from $100 to over $1,000, depending on your state, plus you have to file all the back reports you missed. The states that are most aggressive about this: California, Texas, Florida, New York, high population, high revenue states. They want their fees, and they will not hesitate to shut you down. So the question is, how do busy entrepreneurs stay on top of all this without hiring a $300 an hour attorney? That's where your AI assistant comes in. Introducing the II compliance hack. Here's the concept, and it's simpler than you think. You are going to use an AI assistant, whether that's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any AI tool you already use, and you're going to train it to act as your personal LLC compliance officer. Now AI doesn't have a calendar, it can't set alerts on its own, but what it can do is something incredibly powerful. It can research your exact state requirements, organize your deadlines into a master checklist, draft reminder templates, and help you build a compliance calendar that you then plug into Google Calendar, Notion, or any system you already use. Think of it as your compliance brain, and you're the one who presses the button. Let me walk you through exactly how to build this system. Step 1. Open your AI tool of choice and use this prompt. Write this down: I own an LLC registered in your state. My LLC was formed on what formation date? Please give me a complete compliance checklist including annual report deadlines, state fee due dates, registered agent renewal, business license renewals, federal tax deadlines, and any other recurring compliance obligations. Format it as a calendar with months and specific due dates. That's it, one prompt, and your AI will generate a customized state-specific compliance roadmap in seconds. Step 2. Take that calendar and plug it into Google Calendar with reminders set 60 days, 30 days, and 7 days before each deadline. Set them as recurring annual events. This takes about 10 minutes, and you only have to do it once. Step 3. Ask your AI to generate email reminder templates, one for each major deadline. So 60 days out, you get an email that says, your Florida annual report is due in 60 days. Here's what you need to do. Your AI writes the whole thing. You just schedule it using any free email automation tool. This 3-step system costs you $0 and less than 20 minutes, but it could save you thousands in penalties and reinstatement fees. Specific AI prompts that actually work. Now let me give you some power prompts. These are specific inputs that will make your AI responses dramatically more useful. Prompt number 1, the deadline extractor. I have an LLC in state. List every government deadline I need to be aware of as an LLC owner, including the exact state agency responsible, the filing method, and the penalty for missing it. This one is gold because it gives you the agency name so you know exactly where to go to file. Prompt number 2, the compliance audit. Review this list of LLC compliance tasks and tell me which ones are most likely to be missed by a solo entrepreneur and why. This helps you prioritize and understand your biggest risk areas. Prompt number 3, the annual report helper. Walk me through how to file an annual report in state step by step. Include the website, what information I'll need, and approximately how long it takes. No more guessing, no more Googling for an hour. Your AI becomes your instant compliance guide. Prompt number 4, the multi-state checker. I have LLCs registered in State 1 and State 2 with different formation dates. Create a combined compliance calendar for both entities showing all deadlines chronologically. If you have multiple LLCs, which many serious entrepreneurs do, this is a lifesaver. Now here's a pro tip. Save these prompts, create a Google Doc or a Notion page called My LLC Compliance Prompts and paste them all in. Every time your situation changes, new state, new business, new license, you go right back to that doc and update your AI calendar. Platforms that do this for you automatically. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I don't want to manage this myself at all. I just want it handled. I hear you, and there are some phenomenal services that have built compliance management right into their platform. Let me break down your best options. Northwest Registered Agent is honestly one of my favorites for compliance management. Beyond just being your registered agent, Northwest sends you proactive compliance alerts with enough lead time to actually act on them. Their customer service is also genuinely exceptional. You get real humans, not just an automated portal. Great for entrepreneurs who want personal support alongside their compliance tools. Harbor Compliance is the go-to if you're serious about multi-state compliance or running a more complex business structure. They offer dedicated compliance managers, real-time compliance tracking dashboards, and handle everything from annual reports to business licenses across all 50 states. It's a premium service, but for businesses operating in multiple states, it pays for itself. Zen Business bundles registered agent service with compliance alerts starting at a very accessible price point. If you're just starting out and want a clean, affordable, all-in-one option, Zen Business is hard to beat. Their dashboard makes it easy to see your compliance status at a glance. LegalZoom offers compliance packages that include registered agent service and filing assistance. Good for people who want brand recognition and a trusted name behind their documents. Rocket Lawyer is excellent if you want compliance tools plus on-demand legal advice. You get document templates, attorney consultations, and filing services all in one membership. And for the founders who need help with both compliance and branding their new business, Taylor Brands offers LLC formation, registered agent, and even logo and branding tools together. If you're launching fresh, it's a solid one-stop shop. Whether you DIY it with the AI system I showed you, or you use a platform like Northwest or Harbor Compliance to handle it, the key is that you have a system. No system equals risk. So let's recap what you've got today. You now know why LLC compliance failures happen and the real financial and legal damage they cause. You've got a 3-step AI compliance system you can set up tonight for free. You've got 4 power prompts that will make your AI tool work like a compliance expert. And you know exactly which platforms to use if you want professionals to handle it for you. Here's your action item before you close this video. Open up your AI tool right now. Type in prompt number 1 with your state and formation date. Screenshot the output. That is the beginning of your compliance calendar. It will take you 5 minutes, but it could save you your business. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this content reach other LLC owners who need it. And if you want more content like this, LLC tips, legal hacks, and real startup strategy, subscribe right now because we drop new videos every week. Drop a comment below and tell me what state is your LLC in. I read every single comment and I might just cover your state specific requirements in an upcoming video. Links to all the platforms I mentioned, Northwest, Zen Business, Harbor Compliance, LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Stay compliant, stay protected. Let's build